Today we are going to discuss about the product section, so you can easily understand before starting. So first of all, in the previous lecture we have downloaded and we have installed the WooCommerce plugin inside the WordPress in our WordPress setup. And as you can see, you have already downloaded with Mailchimp while setting your WooCommerce plugin. Okay, this is your Mailchimp, and go to your appearance themes. So we have downloaded two things while setting our WooCommerce store. First of all, the Mailchimp, and second, the theme, storefront theme. So this is a theme which we have downloaded while setting the WooCommerce. Okay, so now what you need, you just need to go to your product section. So here is your product section, and you have all products, new products, categories, and this is your tags, and this is your attributes. Okay, so if you want to click on this, it's totally depend upon you. So this is your products. Okay, so because we have not created any products yet, so that's why it's showing create your product. So if you want to create the product, you can also hit this button, and you can also hit this add new button. Okay, so hit this add new button. So you have your product name, your product descriptions first of all, and you have your preview, and also your save as draft, your publish button. You can also select your categories from here. You can also add your new categories by adding this link or button. Okay, you can also provide some tags related with this product which you are going to added or you are going to submit to your theme. Okay, so now you can also select your product image, and you can also add your product gallery images. Okay, so now you have, so as you can see, you have your product data. So you have your simple data, grouped product, external affiliated products, and variable product. Don't worry, we are going to explain each and everything in our later lectures, but for now we are going to start with simple product. Okay, so this is your simple product, and this simple product belongs to virtual. That means you are selling the virtual product. So as you can see, virtual products are intangible and are not shipped. For suppose your videos or your softwares or something like that. Okay, so this is your down label. So as you can see, if you are selling the audio or video things, you can also check this out. Okay, so what you need, you just need the regular price, sale price, and also you can schedule the sale price. So this is your inventory, where you can manage your inventory, either your product is available in your stock or not. So write your SKU. So SKU refers to a stock keeping. Okay, so shipping, you can also use your shipping settings here, and also linked product. Okay, so you can also link your product. So here is your attributes. You can select your attribute. First of all, if you are selling the t-shirts, and you have your small, large, and medium variants. Okay, so here is your advanced option, and you can also product short descriptions area. You can also add your product short description area. Okay, so this is your product sections. Now what you need, you just need to hover on WooCommerce. So as you can see, you have your orders, coupons, reports, settings, status, extents. So okay, so hit the order button, because we don't have any order, so that's why it's showing empty. So this is your coupons, where you can add your coupons. So here is your report. You can so last 7 days, and this month, last month, you can also. Okay, so settings, where you can set anything. For suppose your address, your country, and currency options. You can also set your currency options here, and also you can set your product. So here is your product. So this is your shop page. Okay, and basically shop, cart, checkout, and my account, these pages automatically created by WooCommerce. Okay, so now you can change your measurements, unit, okay, dimensions, reviews, enable, disable. We will explain each and everything in our later lectures, but now we are just giving you some overview. So here is your shipping. You can add your shipping cost or something like this. Okay, you have your payment method. So as you can see, we have cash on delivery payment method, and we have a PayPal. Okay, so how can you set up? So if you want to add this, if you want to activate the PayPal, you can add the setup button and provide your some credentials like your email address and PayPal identity token, invoice prefix, and don't worry, we are going to explain each and everything in our later lectures. We are going to embed the PayPal also. Okay, so now account and privacy. So here you can set your account and privacy. You can also select your privacy page, so and also registration privacy policy, something like this, and you have a lot of options available here. Okay, so on your email address, so here is your email address sections. So as you can see, whenever someone order a new products, an email is generated to this account. Cancellation order, this account. Failed order, this account, email account. Okay, so order on hold, so WooCommerce automatically send an email to the customers. So as you can see, you have your new account, reset password, customer note, customer invoice, order detail, refund, completed order, processing order, order on hold. So WooCommerce automatically send any email related with these actions to the customers, and WooCommerce also send the email whenever someone place a new order or cancel the order or fail the order. You can also manage this. For suppose if I want to say that please, whenever someone place any order, send the email to this account and also with another account. So how can you do that? Hit the manage button. So comma separate, make sure comma separate, and I'm saying send the email to this email address, info@shakesy.com. for suppose change. Okay, so now as you can see, go to your email address. So now you have your two emails. Whenever someone place a new order, your WooCommerce automatically send an email to this account and also this account. Okay, so you can also manage all of these. So advanced setting, where you can set all the things: cart page, checkout, account page, terms and conditions page, secure checkout for HTTPS. Okay, so now page, checkout endpoint, and also you have account endpoint options. So these are the options available inside the settings. So extensions, you can also add some extra functionality to your WooCommerce account by adding the extensions like subscriptions, booking, membership. So like this, you have a lot of things available here. So it's totally depend upon you. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we are going to start from product section, and we are going to add a new product, a new simple product, so you can easily understand how can you add your product and how can you manage your stock. So thank you for watching.